we decided to have a peaceful joyride with Exteme and Jukka and Jarno. We got some leftovers from last New Year's, some fireworks. We loaded them all into these cars and we tried to destroy each other. Let's light up the sky!
Enjoy the ride!
We're gonna start from the big ones. I have a secret plan.
Target on site. Is the firepower on? Chip, chip, chip,
Yes.
chip, chip.
Alright, losers. This is winners team speaking. 5, 3.
Shoot, shoot. Our windshield is broken!
Back up, more HP! Back up!
What is this? Why don't they shoot us?
Back up!
Abort! Our rockets are not working. I found your remote. You know what it says? Off. It's nowhere. We gotta finish them. Try to hide in your car.
Jarno, we gonna lose the windows.
No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
I trust you, HP.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna execute them now.
Okay, let's go!
That was a big bang!
Come on! Oh!
They're shooting at us.
They're getting good hits! Turn sideways, hey!
Oh yeah!
Where are they? There's so much smoke!
Go! Run!
No!
Abort!
Abort! Oh, my hands are fucking full of glass.
We're gonna check out the situation. Don't drive on the side. This might be a bluff.
This might be a bluff. I knew it! Jarno, did you hear me saying that the windows are not gonna hold? I'm so glad that I put my mask on.
Oh, I have glass in my hands.
I know. Both of the windows are broken. The bomb went in from HP's window and out from mine.
It's actually on fire.
How did that happen?
I don't know, but we have definitely lost this war. Good job. Well done.